And well, ahead of the elections in Delhi, a JNU report on illegal immigration has caused a massive political storm. This is a 114-page report that highlights the reality of illegal immigration influx. This report says, and I quote, environmental degradation is a consequence of unauthorized colonies established by illegal immigrants. These settlements often encroach on wetlands and green spaces, contributing to deforestation and pollution. The demographic changes caused by migration have altered the religious composition of Delhi. My colleague Sagrika is joining us with that report. Sagrika, what are the details?
There's a report by JNU, and this is a report that has in fact triggered a huge political storm. This report has also been picked up by BJP. Let me take you to the first reaction of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and after that, Pratibha, we'll also tell you the highlights of this report once we open it up here. But let's take you to the first reaction of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Amit Malviya of the BJP says that illegal migration from Bangladesh and Myanmar has altered Delhi NCR's socio-political and economic fabric, causing notable increase in Muslim population. The JNU report elaborates how such influx of illegal settlers has not only transformed the city's demographics but has disrupted its economy, strained the resources, and has also strengthened criminal networks by feeding into it. The Aam Aadmi Party's political patronage played a crucial role in allowing the steady influx of undocumented Bangladeshis and Rohingyas. So over the last few days, you've seen how this report, this issue of illegal immigration, of illegal Bangladeshis and Rohingyas was the fulcrum of the Bharatiya Janata Party's attack against the Aam Aadmi Party. There was also a drive that was carried out by the Delhi police where there were arrests that were made. In that drive itself, if you remember, Pratibha, there were people who were arrested who faced allegations of facilitating people with fake documents and fake Aadhaar cards. We will also go across to our colleague Pranesh, who's joining us from the newsroom with the report and the highlights of the report, Pratibha.
All right, Pranesh Kumar Roy joining us on the broadcast. Pranesh, before I come to you, BJP's RP Singh also on the broadcast with us. Mr. RP Singh, the JNU report has spoken about the impact of the illegal immigration in the capital, and it speaks about environmental degradation. Apart from that, it also speaks about encroaching on wetlands and contribution to pollution, as well as demographic changes, and a big political fallout also over the same of the demographic changes caused by immigration.
Well, it's very alarming. I mean, there's no doubt, and especially the demographic changes are very alarming, and concentrated in particular pockets. Selampur or Okhla or other pockets.
All right, Mr. RP Singh, do request you to stay on with us.
दिल्ली के राजनीतिक पटल पर उसका क्या असर है, सोशियो पॉलिटिकल पटल पर क्या असर है, इन सब.
BJP's Amit Malviya also on the broadcast with us. Amit Malviya, the JNU report speaks about demographic changes caused by illegal immigration. All right, we'll cut across to the BJP Sambit Patra.
इसमें कहा गया है कि there has been a notable increase of Muslim population because of illegal migration from Bangladesh and Myanmar. बांग्लादेश से जो बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए हैं और म्यांमार से जो रोहिंग्या आ रहे हैं, उसके कारण से एक नोटेबल इंक्रीज, बढ़ोतरी हुई है मुस्लिम आबादी में दिल्ली में. और जो शब्द प्रयोग किया गया है, वो कहा गया है कि there is a change in the demography of the city. दिल्ली शहर के डेमोग्राफी में एक चेंज आया है. आप सोचिए, यह दिल्ली आज से 10 साल पहले, आज से 15 साल पहले जो दिल्ली था, आज वो दिल्ली नहीं. चोरी.
So this report speaks about how the influx of illegal immigrants has transformed the city's demography and disrupted the economy, straining the resources. Amit Malviya of the BJP on the broadcast with us. Mr. Amit Malviya, the JNU report comes at a time when there is a lot of politics that has been playing out over the illegal influx of immigrants.
Well, it's not about the timing of the report, but what is there in the report. The report is damning, and it very clearly states that the ruling Aam Aadmi Party has facilitated the settlement of these illegal Bangladeshis and Rohingyas in Delhi with an attempt to distort the demographic profile of the city, ensure that the Muslim population goes up, which is more amenable to their kind of politics and their worldview. But that has led to a great deal of strain on the economic activity of the city. It has taken away jobs and opportunities from the natives of Delhi. And it has all been done with attempt to influence the politics and the demography of the city. Now, this becomes very important because the Aam Aadmi Party's government oversaw the Delhi riots here. The Shaheen Bagh protests, which were completely sponsored, happened under the Aam Aadmi Party's watch. And we saw how everybody from Manish Sisodia to Arvind Kejriwal to Amanatullah Khan were involved in fanning and promoting these riots and protests. So it paints a very grim picture, a very sinister attempt by the ruling Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. He must be questioned on his government's complicity in settling down these illegal Bangladeshis and Rohingyas.
Okay, all right. But the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal in particular, have been time and again saying that it is the BJP that is responsible for it.
I mean, how can the BJP be responsible for it? The only two people responsible for it is Arvind Kejriwal, who's settling them here in Delhi, and Mamata Banerjee, who has a 1,400-kilometer long porous border along West Bengal, the only border from where all infiltration is happening today. The BJP has sealed all other states of the Northeast where it is in power. And in 2026, when Mamata Banerjee is voted out, we will seal the borders of West Bengal also, and subsequently ensure that all illegal Bangladeshis are combed out of these big cities and metros.
Okay, all right. Amit Malviya, thank you for joining us and responding to what the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying. This is a JNU report that says that illegal immigration to Delhi has significantly altered the city's demographic landscape with a large influx of migrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar.
आम आदमी पार्टी है, इसका एक क्रूशियल रोल है, उसकी एजेंसीज बनी हुई और आगे इसमें और भी भयावह बातें लिखी गई। इसमें लिखा गया है कि हाउ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एंड देयर accomplices, उनकी जो बाकी पार्टियों के साथ जो जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, ये कैसे फेक वोटर रजिस्ट्रेशन को फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हैं फॉर दीज माइग्रेंट्स। इनके लिए फेक, ये बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठी और रोहिंग्या के लिए फेक वोटर बनाना, रेजिंग कंसर्न्स अबाउट इलेक्टरल इंटीग्रिटी एंड डेमोक्रेटिक मैनिपुलेशन। मतलब ये फेक वोटर बना करके ये बांग्लादेशी और ये रोहिंग्या जो हैं, ये हमारे इलेक्टोरल सिस्टम को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं, डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं। इसमें यह भी लिखा गया है, गौरतलब है, इसमें गौर फरमाइएगा कि क्रिमिनल नेटवर्क, जो क्रिमिनल क्राइम दर, उसमें भी बढ़ोतरी के लिए, उसमें भी कंट्रीब्यूशन, ये जो घुसपैठिए हैं, ये जो बांग्लादेशी हैं और ये जो रोहिंग्या हैं, इनका एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन रह रहा है क्राइम में। तो यह भी एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम सिंडिकेट बन रहा है, जिसको कि पॉलिटिकल पैट्रोनेज, जैसे आम आदमी पार्टी का पैट्रोनेज प्राप्त है। ये जो रिसर्च हुई है, ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने आपको दिखाया, बहुत सारे रिसर्चर्स ने मिलकर किया है और इस टीम को प्रोफेसर मनुराधा चौधरी लीड कर रही थी और उसके साथ ही सीनियर प्रोफेसर्स ऑफ टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस, TISS, टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस, उसके भी जो सीनियर प्रोफेसर्स हैं, ठीक ऐसी ही स्टडी उन्होंने मुंबई में भी की थी।
Has illegal immigration altered the demography in the national capital? Big findings in the JNU report, and it is snowballing into a bigger political controversy. We'll be right back with the details. Quick break.